Hello guys, if you want to give your KDP account child access, then you have to go to Author Central and click on Reports and Marketing, and then scroll down on Amazon Advertising and click on Go to Ad Console, and then you will be in Amazon Advertising Console, and then click on Administration and Access Setting, and then you click on Invite User. Then write the name of the person you are giving access to. For example, I'm writing ABC, and then write his email. I'm writing, for example, abc@gmail.com, and click on editor access, or the access you want to give. Usually we give editor access, and click on editor, and then keep these setting as it is, and then click on the top right corner invite user. That's simple. This is how you can give Amazon KDP child account access. Thank you.